Hello again. Over the next few days, the temperature is going to creep up. It's going to turn much milder. What we have today is a weather front across the northwest of Scotland producing some showers. It's behind this weather front coming into the southwest that we start to drag in the milder conditions. But with it too, it's bringing in a lot of cloud and some rain and some drizzle across England and also Wales. That rain pepping up across northern England through the day. Eventually, we'll see a bit more cloud into the far south of southern Scotland and also parts of Northern Ireland. But clearer skies, some hazy sunshine across much of the rest of Scotland. And we're looking at 6 to 9 here, but 10 to 12 in the south. Now, through this evening and overnight, we continue with cloudy and wet conditions across England, also Wales, getting into Northern Ireland, and then eventually southern Scotland. But under clearer skies across the Highlands, for example, temperatures in sheltered glens could fall away to -5 or -6, much milder further south. Into tomorrow then, we've got a clutch of weather fronts. This one heading northwards. You can see this one trailing across the south. So essentially it means once again, we're looking at a cloudy and a wet day. The rain on and off through the course of the day, pushing northwards. Here's the trailing front. In between there'll be some brighter skies, but the brightest skies will be in the far north of Scotland, where we'll see some hazy sunshine. Highs 6 to 8, but note how the milder conditions are spreading further north, and that process will continue as we head on through Thursday. We still have weather fronts in the forecast, but it's all but the very far north of Scotland, the Northern Isles, that are going to be in the milder air. So on Thursday, it's another cloudy and wet day. Again, we've got the rain pushing north, more rain coming in across the southwest, some brighter skies in between, but it's the temperature that will be the talking point, because on Thursday, somewhere in the southeast could hit 16 or 17, but the milder air continuing to track that bit further north. Then as we move on into Friday, the rain clears away from the east. We've got a ridge of high pressure building in. There'll be variable amounts of cloud, but even so we'll see some breaks in that cloud with a few showers scattered in the west, particularly West Wales, and temperatures slipping a little bit, but still up to 14.